अगर आपके पास सिर्फ इंग्लिश में ऐसे आ जाए हजरत मोहम्मद, लास्ट प्रॉफिट, होली प्रॉफिट, माय फेवरेट पर्सनैलिटी, क्वालिटीज ऑफ हजरत मुहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम, हु इज लास्ट प्रॉफिट, हु इज होली प्रॉफिट, तो आपने ये ऐसे लिखना है। हजरत मोहम्मद पीस बी अपॉन हिम इज माय फेवरेट पर्सनैलिटी। हजरत मोहम्मद peace be upon him is our beloved prophet. He peace be upon him the last prophet of Allah. He peace be upon him was born in Mecca on 12th Rabiul Awwal, April 571 AD. He peace be upon him belongs to the tribe Quraysh. His peace be upon him father's name was Hazrat Abdullah radiallahu ta'ala anhu. His peace be upon him mother's name was Hazrat Amna radiallahu ta'ala anha. His peace be upon him father died before his birth. His peace be upon him mother brought him up. His peace be upon him mother died when he was only 6 years old. After that, his peace be upon him grandfather Hazrat Abdul Muttalib took care of him. As he peace be upon him reached at the age of 8, his grandfather passed away. After that, his peace be upon him uncle Hazrat Abu Talib took care of him. He peace be upon him was honest, truthful and kind from his childhood. He peace be upon him never told a lie. He peace be upon him was called Al-Sadiq, truthful, and Al-Amin, honest. He peace be upon him always helped the poor and needy. He peace be upon him always respected the elders and loved the youngers. He peace be upon him never hurt anyone. He peace be upon him spread message of Allah in the whole world. He peace be upon him enlightened the whole teaching of Islam. His peace be upon him's life is complete role model for us. At the age of 63, he peace be upon him left the mortal world.